The Sales Organization, Chapter 4, Part 2. Setting up a sales organization involves the following steps: defining the objectives, delineating the necessary activities, grouping activities into jobs or positions, assigning personnel to each position, and providing for coordination and control. To begin with, the organizational objectives are defined. These are then translated into objectives of departments, units, and individuals. This ensures that when every executive and department achieves their objectives, the objective of the organization is met. Objectives can be defined in qualitative terms as well as in quantitative terms. Typically, quantitative objectives may be defined in terms of growth in sales volumes, growth in profitability, and market share. Objectives may be linked with incentives and other rewards. Objectives can be defined in qualitative terms as well, such as customer satisfaction, relationship building, organizational development, morale building, and training. Determination of activities and their volume of performance. Fundamental to designing an organization is identification of the entire gamut of activities that need to be performed. For example, while a field salesperson's primary job is to generate sales, the salesperson may carry additional responsibilities of market development, market research, and sales promotion. Intermediate levels are required to make sure that every assignment of personnel to positions, the planner must decide whether an existing employee can be developed and trained for a given position or someone should be recruited from outside. Coordination and control. For effective coordination and control, it is important to involve a formal written job description. The job description defines reporting relationships, job objectives, duties and responsibilities, and ways of performance measurement. The job description clarifies resource requirements, the experience and record of achievements and qualifications required for the position. An instrument of organizational control is the organizational chart and the organizational manual